Hey there, movie buffs. Today we're diving into a topic that's got everyone talking. The growing trend of big directors embracing AI in their films. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this a good thing or a bad thing? Well, it's a bit of both, and I'm here to break it down for you. So let's get started. First things first, it's no secret that AI is making waves in the film industry. From shark movies to horror films, we've seen AI pop up in various places and it's got people talking. But here's the thing. The conversation around AI in films is often a negative one. People are quick to point out the ethical concerns like supporting real human beings versus AI data centers, and the environmental impact. And let's be real, the AI footage itself doesn't look great. It's got that telltale Uncanny Valley problem, with off lighting and a weird wiggle to everything in the frame. Now let's talk about some of the big names in the industry who are embracing AI. Take Eli Roth, for example. He's getting destroyed online for using AI in his film Ice Cream Man. And while I get that AI can be a useful tool, Roth's usage of it felt lazy and absurd. It was used to create shots that could have been easily filmed with a crew for very minimal money during the initial shoot. Instead, he opted for AI, and it immediately stood out. It was like watching a movie made by a robot, and that's not a good thing. But it's not just Eli Roth who's embracing AI. Neil Blomkamp, for example, has fully joined the dark side with his 13-minute proof-of-concept short Nightborne. And while it's not perfect, it's a step in the right direction. Blomkamp used AI to create a short, but he still incorporated concept art and performances from real people. It's like a bridging of the gap between AI and human creativity. Now, I'm not here to say that AI is all bad. There are definitely some uses for it in the film industry, like rotoscoping and logging footage. But it's important to remember that AI should be a tool used by humans, not a replacement for them. It's like having a helper in the room, not a robot taking over the job. So what's my take on all of this? Personally, I think that AI has its place in the film industry, but it should be used responsibly and ethically. It's like having a new tool in the toolbox, but we need to make sure we're using it for the right reasons. And I really hope that other filmmakers are taking notice of the reaction to legitimate filmmakers using AI. Because while some people might laugh at it when an amateur uses it, when professionals are using it, it's a different story. It's like expecting a handcrafted product, not something written down into a prompt and then regurgitated. So what do you think? Is AI a deal breaker for you? Will more filmmakers use generative AI to complete the vision for their films? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're a movie lover who wants to win some cool prizes, make sure to drop your email to join our newsletter. We've got some awesome stuff up for grabs like Joblo bobbleheads and popcorn buckets. So what are you waiting for? Let's get this movie magic started.